Hey kitchen lovers, want to make cooking faster, easier, and more fun without spending a fortune? Today we're revealing 7 smart and affordable kitchen gadgets that'll save you time, boost your cooking game, and totally transform your kitchen. Instant Pot Electric Pressure Cooker. Introducing the all-new Instant Pot Duo, your ultimate kitchen companion for quick, healthy, and delicious one-pot meals. With up to 70% faster cooking, you get rich, flavorful dishes in no time. Plus, the newly redesigned steam release ensures smooth and effortless pressure control. From breakfast to dinner to dessert, whip up mouth-watering recipes with ease. This 7-in-1 powerhouse replaces multiple appliances like a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer, all in one sleek design. It's quick, healthy, and amazing. With one-touch cooking, making your favorite meals has never been easier. Whether you're a busy professional or a home chef, this is the perfect upgrade for your kitchen. Kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer. Meet this amazing mixer, your new secret weapon for effortless baking. Equipped with 6 variable speed settings, it gives you full control whether you're preparing bread dough, cake batters, fluffy meringues, or whipping cream to perfection. For delicate tasks, simply switch to the lower speed and stir without worry. Its 3.2-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is the ideal size for daily use, perfectly suited for small families, couples, or anyone who loves baking at home. The mixer comes with premium attachments, including a high-quality whisk, flat beater, and dough hook, all designed for quick attachment and easy cleanup. The base features 4 powerful suction cups that keep the mixer firmly in place, preventing any shaking or slipping while in use. Plus, the transparent anti-splash lid ensures your ingredients stay where they belong, in the bowl, not all over your kitchen. Thanks to its tilt head design, accessing the bowl and switching out attachments is quick and hassle-free. Weighing under 7 pounds, this lightweight stand mixer is also senior-friendly and easy to handle. Its compact size means it fits easily into kitchen cabinets, making it the perfect choice for apartments, small kitchens, or anyone with limited counter space. And the best part? It comes in multiple stylish colors to match your kitchen's aesthetic, so you're not just adding a tool, you're adding a touch of style. Whether for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, the kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer is a delightful addition to any kitchen. CHEFMAN Air Fryer Plus. Air fry crispy meals, rotisserie a whole chicken, roast, bake, or even dehydrate fruits, all in one sleek appliance. Cooks 3 times faster than a traditional oven while keeping meals healthier with little to no oil. 12 one-touch cooking presets make meal prep effortless, whether you're craving golden fries or perfectly roasted meat. Bonus rotisserie spit ensures juicy, evenly cooked chicken every time. Large 10-quart capacity is perfect for family dinners or meal prepping. Interior light and large viewing window let you monitor your food without opening the door. Dishwasher-safe parts make post-meal maintenance stress-free. Upgrade your kitchen today with the CHEFMAN Digital Air Fryer. StirMATE Pot Stirrer. Need an extra hand in the kitchen? Or maybe just someone to stir your pot while you focus on other things? Meet the StirMATE, your smart, hands-free stirring assistant. StirMATE does more than just stir. Its powerful motor handles everything from thick, sticky candies to delicate risottos with ease. It's even heat-tolerant, making it a game-changer for small-batch coffee roasting. Quick to set up and fully self-adjusting to fit almost any pot, it gives you up to 12 hours of continuous stirring on a single charge. Say goodbye to burnt or scorched food forever. StirMATE lets you multitask like a pro, giving you freedom and peace of mind in the kitchen. So, why stir when StirMATE can do it for you? Kitchen Mama Can Opener. Meet Kitchen Mama, the easiest way to open cans in just 3 simple steps. First, insert the batteries into the can opener, making sure they're placed correctly and the cover snaps securely. Next, place it on top of your can, ensuring the blade and gear align neatly along the edge. Finally, press the button and watch the magic happen. It glides around effortlessly. Press again to stop when it's done. Now just lift the lid. No sharp edges, just a smooth, seamless experience. Plus, it comes in these adorable shades to add a vibrant pop of color to your kitchen. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Tired of waiting forever for water to boil? Meet the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. With its 6-egg capacity, you can make perfectly cooked eggs in just minutes. No messy stovetop spills, no guesswork. Simply crack the eggs, place them in the cooker, and let the magic happen. Whether you love hard-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, or even a fluffy omelet, this gadget does it all, with just a single touch. Designed for easy cleanup, it's a game-changer for apartments, dorm rooms, and small kitchens. Meter Plus Meat Thermometer. Introducing Meter Plus, the ultimate wireless smart meat thermometer for your kitchen. Simply insert it into your meat, set up your recipe in the app, and start cooking, whether on your grill, oven, smoker, or air fryer. Monitor your cook from anywhere, your living room, your office, your backyard, or even your studio. With advanced Bluetooth technology, you'll get real-time updates straight to your phone. No more guesswork. Meter Plus delivers precise temperature readings and perfect timing for your meal. Get instant alerts when your food is cooked to perfection. Ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking, this is a must-have gadget for every home chef who loves delicious meals with perfect results every single time. Upgrade your cooking game with Meter Plus today. These 7 smart kitchen gadgets are total game changers. Grab yours now before they sell out. Links are in the description. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.